today's 2 cent that I just realized. And people like me, my friends who are 90s kid, who have been into the corporate industry for quite some time now, maybe 10, 12, 13, 14 years, and we are traveling our career, which is a mid-term career, probably experiencing a lot of stagnancy. And that is because of new technology, new talent coming up every year. We're quite equipped with a lot of more efficiency other than us that we have. Problem is, we really do not want to believe it. At certain point of time, when this particular dilemma are coming to our mind, we want to make ourselves comfortable by saying that, look at us, we have so much of experience. And that is absolutely a BS, bullshit. We do have jackass in our companies, we do have some people who are stagnant, they really do not like to move ahead. Apart from that, we really need to understand one particular thing. Either you draw inspiration within yourself, or you draw inspiration from whatever is happening inside, outside of your world, but then keep learning. Believe me, I'll take an example. I belong to IT industry, I'm into marketing, and I do a lot of e-commerce website, app design, and etc. I was reading one example about Amazon and their recommendation engine, which is the powerful AI interface. 37% of Amazon revenue is coming from that particular recommendation engine. Giving a layman example, you are buying a product and you do see that you might be interested in. Now, the way these guys are analyzing your consumer behavioral aspect about buying a particular product or service is absolutely amazing. We really cannot just even think that the way that they analyze our buying behavior. Now there are a lot of people, who are into same domain. When some kind of similar requirement comes up, people try to cover that requirement by implementing some kind of plugin. Plugin is not gonna help us. That is the point, there is so much thing that is happening right now at the industry using data and technology is quite immense in nature. So I was just wondering, the same way the 90s kids who are into the mid of their career level and are not willing to explore more for the trend that is coming up into the industry level in terms of learning curve, how are we gonna survive after 10, 12 years? We really need to think about this. And if not, we are thinking about this at this point of time, maybe some point of time we have to perish. Thank you very much.